we're going to be installing these Rizoma Stealth mirrors. One of my good buddies from Pennsylvania, Jimbo, he hooked me up with these. When you're not using the mirrors, you could fold them and they basically act as winglets. These are made out of aluminum. They're really high quality, made in Italy. Well, Rizoma makes really good stuff. I've had their products in the past. These typically cost around $500 US. It really depends on where you buy them. I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy these. There they are. You can see it says created in Italy. From what I've read online, these generate a little over 8 pounds of downforce at 186 miles an hour, which is pretty cool. Let's get right into the install. You're going to start off with removing the 10mm nuts. There's 2 holding each mirror on. If you do decide to buy these mirrors, make sure you purchase from a reputable dealer because there's a lot of fakes out there. You don't want to end up paying $500 for fakes. The mirrors came out looking pretty good. Gives it a unique look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you want to see more of my Gen 3 S1000 build, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. And I'll catch you guys later.